My name's Bridget Gardner, and I'm a nurse here at UMC, and I'm in charge of the injury prevention programs in the hospital and statewide. The injury programs is basically education or anything that we can do to support the community to make a better decision that actually doesn't land you into being our patient here at UMC. So we're on the prevention side. On behalf of the Level 1 Trauma Center, we would much rather prevent an injury from ever happening so that our patients don't experience the lifetime of consequences that they do, and so that we can prevent that from ever happening. Almost 100% of the events that we see at a Level 1 Trauma Center as far as trauma are completely preventable, and they're due to choices. And so we try to educate about that so that people can make a better choice and not have that lifetime of traumatic consequences. So with prevention programs, we want to be able to prevent injuries all the way from infancy through geriatrics. So everything from child safety seats, how to properly install a child restraint in your car, and then how to properly restrain the child into the seat. We actually had 52 fitting stations for the community. So they're located throughout the state, and UMC is in charge of those 52 fitting stations. So we're in charge of all of the training of our technicians, all of the supplies, and the operation of those fitting stations so that the community can access that education and be able to prevent those injuries. So if we can teach people to buckle up from infancy, then adults, and specifically teens, where our numbers go up with motor vehicle crash injuries, they would more likely buckle up in a car if they were taught to do so since the time that they came home from the hospital. So it's real important for us to reach out to the community, but at the same time, it's really important for the community to reach out to us as a Level 1 Trauma Center so that we can help you prevent those injuries. So whether it's church groups or it's organizations or it's schools, how can we give you the information to be able to prevent those injuries? Whether it's bicycle helmets, it's buckling up, it's not driving impaired, it's pedestrian safety. There's many things that we can help you and teach people so that you don't become that next injured patient.